bathi siyeza siliko sexy. Oh, she, ow, ay. She, ow. Ish. I wish guys like I could make a lot of noise, but I can't because I'm at rest and I'm staying with people. Yeah. So let me actually tell you all a crazy stat. Okay, before a crazy stat, let's just welcome Opatman. He's a coordination, and also let's just welcome the one and only God's Will, Ikotaro. They are cosified. So yeah, that means we're actually having like 7 strikers about department available. But today I'm not about that. I'm about a video. And let me tell you all another interesting fact that I was about to tell you from the start. The last time Kaizer Chiefs won their first 3 opening matches, it was when we won like the league. Which is it is actually telling me something. The last time like we won our first 3 matches, it was when we won the league, which was 2014-15 season. Amanzi angaphinda ame la ame khona. Can history repeat itself? We don't know. If I'm being honest, we don't know because okay, let's go last season, Nedbank Cup. Last time Pirates and the Chiefs badlala like a final. It was a course la winner. I think 2012 or 13, I think 14 with Telkom available, and then they won. As repeat history. So yeah, man, I'm share like a question there available, and then like you just gonna answer with everything and stuff. So yeah, let's just get to the game. So yeah, first of all, I would just like to start with like a lineup, just like I usually do. With the lineup today, I was kind of confused when like I actually saw like uNdlovu, uNyambo Somkhulu, uKatsheni, uNyambo Somkhulu, uCele ngisazi uCele kumele ngisazi yabo. All the Zulu yabo. See, now I have to peep that part. All the Zulu gents on the middle, well, let me not try include my tribe. All, yeah, whatever. I'm just like excited, my bad. So we saw like Ucele, Nyambose, Undlovu on the middle field. So I was kind of confused with, okay, what is actually happening? Are they gonna play one of them? It's like a 10 or what between, because it was between like Ucele and uNdlovu vele yabo. Perceive like besibheka umuntu bengakwazi ukudlala izithembu, it was going to be between uCele noGatsheni, because uNyambose vele we know ukuthi he won. But for me bebenganye available vele option bekuthi bekadlala vele izi-10, only to find out ukuthi nasidlala with 2 like ama-80, and then a deep center midfielder ezodlala ongubani, enguNyambo Somkhulu Mthethwa uzodlala la at the back vele yabo. So surprisingly, we had also like a number 10, which means we were actually playing with the 4 available. We attack bedlala like uShabalala, uCele, uNyambose, uNdlovu, uCele. Yabo. I don't know either way around vele yabo, but uNdlovu noCele badlala double 8. uNyambose at the back 6, Mdudu Shabalala at Winter, and then uLilepo was playing as a winger, and then uTuba vele was our striker, but babaveze laphaya njengama strikers uLilepo noTuba vele yabo on the match. And then also like Mdudu Shabalala vele was more of like a winger available, which showed ukuthi information sometimes is set, and then you'll expect ukuthi now they are supposed to play like this. Kanti now the coach ubatshela ukuthi technically you are supposed to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, by the way, I'm sorry ngokuthi like my energy is low. It is because tomorrow like I'm writing stuff. There's a lot that is happening on my mind. So yeah, wish me luck. And by the way, by wishing me luck, would like subscribe, and I really appreciate the people available who have been like showing love. Right now we're on 730, and yeah, man, we've been growing. Grammatic, yes. But yeah, okay, let's get to the match. And then on the match, into engaleyo notice ubani i-Richards Bay obvious where they're playing very more deep vele yabo, which is something vele I hate when like the team is actually like playing vele yabo deep vele yabo most of the time. And then yeah, we were pushing but it was like the same thing I guess like when we were playing against like Pulwane Vele City, yeah? But like this time it was the thing which I wanted very more intensity very, and the thing that I actually liked the most I will take away from this game is that we're rotating the ball very yabo, like a lot. We're having like a ball like on us very yabo, on especially on their half, which is something that Thabo Cele spoke about very kuyinto kwi-press conference vele yabo, which is something yena ngayibona vele ngasekhona half but like besingabapress that much, and maybe mhlawumbe it was because of futhi like masibapressa maybe yabo that much we can lose the ball, and then after that we will find ourselves like out of position, then like they just destroy us. And then another thing that I will take, ukuthi it is a third win in a row, which is something we failed last season, which is an improvement. And then also another thing, we have like clean sheets like I train about. The only factor that I'll be worried about, ukuthi like we just need to like score like more goals available, because my score available one it will be open as I always say, and then you just like panel pay hey you obviously some panel ini, yeah, we just like destroy. That is what I'm actually and so ngandlula that's what I thought. That is what I'm actually wanna say yabo. And then ngisacela ukubonga futhi kumabhakaniya with like umuntu Monyane, which is some part of sure like give like my man of the match today by the way. Like Monyane is something else, like that guy, like I just love like his confidence and like the momentum to actually like take like ibhola yabo, usuke like nebhola move ube like naleyo confidence like ukuthi like uye like phambili yabo, and while you know ukuthi like angeke uvele lose nje. And another thing I just wanna say ukuthi I hope Aaron McCarthy recovers anytime soon. Maybe today if we had like I will be man of the match or what, I don't know, but nah, it was going to be a robbery for like Omonyan, even though I believe the ball was going to have like a good game. And another thing, I don't like this thing with like my man of the match is age about we always like nominating Amanto Amam defenders. I just wanna see like Amanta winger, because my nominate like Amant defenders, that means Uchi I go to we're defending vele more stuff, because always as ngizobe like isiqambile ama, because like we're having like more ball position and stuff nani. But I feel like masiba like nama wingers and athola like ama forwards, athola like ama man of the match, and that shows ukuthi like they have like momentum of like destroying amount defense well of that side, which is actually good for our stats. So yeah, man, we're gonna be seeing like Sundowns anytime soon. It's gonna be a difficult match. It's gonna be an interesting match, and I believe we're supposed to analyze well. Ule match le abazobadlala vele against iPhakaniya vele nini on the weekend. So yeah, it would be interesting because my like say like near record, I think like I have like most like confidence. And another thing, I don't even understand why they are playing this match very during the week about. So yeah, but rather than that, it will be like Sylvia came last in a confidence with like a clean sheet, with like winning all our games. So it's gonna be interesting. And another thing now, we like it is he's actually coming back available. And to the people out there who are saying now Angabu in nan, that thing it was built by him, Jens, if we're being honest, and like the technical team, yeah, and another thing that I wanna say, you go to like must be is like my assistant coaches most of the time become like proved wrong, because once assistant coach takes over like the team, he'll want to introduce like a style of play sakhe fully. Yabo uzofuna like create like into like entsha vele yabo, uzoba like nama ideas amash, which is like more bigger ne, especially like person. We did the same thing with Uban Uzwani, and then Uzwani like they didn't available be successful there. That might even though like we are finished like number 5 available. And then with the same thing happened with Mamelodi Sundowns when they did the same thing with like Umanqoba Mnqethi. Same thing with like iPhakaniya when like they bavayisa ubani uNcikazi vele ukuthi azoba yinto vele yabo. So let's not go there. Ama-fans vele course, let's just support Unabi, because that thing's motivator. Let's say always ubheke vele isihlalo vele the assistant coach and stuff nana ufuna vele kuba head coach whatever, especially record yakhe akaze waconsider igoli and wawine wonke vele ama games akhe. I think ayingakhi manje I think 5 games or 6 games wonke abawine wonke lama games lawa yi6 adlale yedwa akaze consider vele goal ne. He must just keep it that way, kube like ne-pressure imotivate yabo, because once like wateka over lento, the team's gonna be like something different. So yeah, and it is somebody who has been working with Unai from like Young Africans. That guy was also there. So I don't know I just wanted to address that situation. So yeah, man, amakhosi ajabulile, and my name from now on it is Mpofana Jama Boy Phefeni Kaizer Taung.